Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my air fryer yogurt marinated chicken. Guys, this is crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Stay tuned and continue watching. Here I have some already cleaned chicken drumstick. I made some cuts into the chicken drumsticks just to help our marinade to penetrate deep and season the chicken. Here I have some Greek yogurt, some herbs and spice. I have some grated garlic, turmeric and ginger. I added 3 scoops of the unsweetened plain Greek yogurt inside a mixing bowl. Next, I poured in all my spice and herbs. I added in my grated turmeric, garlic and ginger. I added some olive oil and I mixed everything together. In case something is going through your mind now, don't worry, I washed my hands several times before doing this. Please, if you have gloves, make sure you use that. After immersing all of my chicken inside my marinade, I covered it with a film wrap. I left it in the fridge to marinate overnight. This was the next morning. I brought out my chicken from the fridge and it smelled so good. The next thing I did was to transfer this chicken inside my air fryer. This is the brand of air fryer that I used for this recipe, the Philips Rapid Air Technology. You can also do this using an oven. I transferred the chicken inside the air fryer and I did this in batches. I had to do it 2 times before I was done with it. After adding in the first batch, I set the air fryer at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of air frying at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, I increased the heat to 360 degrees for another 10 minutes. And this was after a total of 20 minutes. This is how the chicken looks like. This chicken is so crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. It depends on what you want. You can leave it longer, you can leave it for more 5 minutes if you want it to get a bit darker, but for me, this is how I love my chicken. This is how I love my chicken. I transferred the chicken inside a plate and I continued with the second batch. With this, we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet. Also turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a new recipe or any video at all, you'll be notified. Please share this video to your family and your friends and let me know in the comment section what would you like to pair with this chicken. Look out for my next recipe on what I paired with this yummy yogurt marinated chicken. Until then, stay safe, God bless you, and have a nice day. Bye.